lang yan, boss. Dinadamay mo pa ako. Dinamay mo pa ako.
Gago ito ka mo. Tayo na, binaliktad pa ako ni Rex. Napaka-solid ni Rex ah.
Huwag na nga, imumute ko na lang. Wala nang pag-asa to, guys.
Bono, hindi mo na kami sinabihan.
Hindi na talaga. Ay, hello. Wow, that's so cool. That's so cool, Daniel Rose. For the rush. For the rush. Wow. Can you explain?
Ariola na to.
Gusto kayo dito. Binabag ko.
Merong building sa likod. Sa mouth balance, merong malapit, merong malayo.
Yes, and watercolor paper. Wrap. I think it's wrap. Wait, I need to check. Yes, it's wrap. So it's wrap. There are three different types of texture: the wrap, cold press, and hot press. So I usually use wrap for landscape, cold press for architectural, lots of building. Hot press, hindi ko masyadong gamay kasi sobrang neat. Ang style ko kasi impressionist, so bahala na, ganyan. And as much as possible, A3 size. Tinatapos ko siya in 30 minutes to 45 minutes. I have Schminke and Memory Blue. Yeah. So tinatanong ako, yung iba,
Sige po. Can come. Okay. Harap ka na. Hi. Okay. Hi guys, we're at Casa Manila at night. I'm with Ate J and we're doing gala right now. Ang saya-saya. So many beautiful spots. Hi. I wonder how the past generation are looking at us right now. You can record everything all at once. Ito video. So cute. Waiting tuloy sinasend ko. Let's go. Glass skin siya, guys. Sarap pa tumanggal. We're enjoying, guys. Riding in a pedicab. So you guys, try nyo to kapag nagkanila kayo. Always, hindi naman siya manalat. Ay, yun na yata. Right there. Si Kuya. So, nagpunta po kami.